All right, cozy friends, we are going to get in this pantry and get it together. Let's go.
Welcome to the Lifestyle Channel by Rachel Terrell, where healthy meets homemade. Join the journey to better living one step at a time.
All right, cozy friends, we are in the pantry. We are almost done with this kitchen series. I am eating a cherry plum. Shout out to @R&Bay. That is their page. They have some amazing food recipes on there, desserts, all kinds of goodies. So they had did a review on cherry plums, and I bought some at Kroger, and they are absolutely delicious. Nice little sweet treat. So we're gonna get in here and get this pantry together. What I'm gonna do, again, take everything out, clean up, sweep, mop in here, and then we'll put everything back in. And I'll also show you the items that I use or am using to organize everything. So stay tuned. So while I'm taking out everything, I'm gonna try to keep like items together. I'm gonna try. We'll see how that goes. So I make a lot of Korean dishes, so I'm gonna try to keep all those marinades and sauces together. And then that way, that'll help me also when I put it back in there to know what I got. All right, friends, so we have everything out of the pantry. We gotta do some sweeping and mopping and cleaning off the shelves. And then I have this. I bought this off of Amazon. So I'll put something on here. I used to have my spices on this, but now that I have my spice rack in the kitchen, I gotta figure out what I'm going to utilize this for, so we'll see. All right, let's get to cleaning. And since it's a small space, I'd rather just use a rag to mop. Just be easier and quicker. All right, we're done. All right, so it's nice and clean, smelling good. All right, now it's time to put everything back neat. Okay, so I think what we're gonna do is kind of keep it the same way that was already set up. I think I'm gonna keep the boxes up here, the spices, the condiments, stuff like that right here. Probably put the the canned goods here. And then the drinks, sodas, all that good stuff here. So let's get started. Okay, so one thing you want to make sure you're doing is checking the expiration date before you put everything back in here. And will see that there are some items that will not be joining us. All right, so that's it for the boxes up here. So we still have space, so we can go ahead and figure out what else we can put on this top row. All right, next we will do the canned goods. Try to put the like items together. Some more butter beans. Move this apple. We can move that actually far in the corner until I get all the ingredients for that. All right, this is where the fun begins. So we have these revolving tables that we can put our condiments on. I got them from Amazon. They have a nice rubbery non-slip, and then they also have this at the bottom so you can turn it, get your little fancy on. Alright, so we'll put those here and then we'll start filling them up. So I'm gonna we'll start off with the peppers and the mushrooms and stuff like that on this one. Okay, so we got this one filled up. He didn't make the cut, so we're gonna have to just put him right there, and then we're gonna go ahead and start on our, matter of fact, no, we'll put him down here for now. We'll figure out a home for him. Find okay, I have way more condiments than I do plates, which is fine because I have space for them. But everything can have a nice tray, so we'll figure out. It'll have a home somewhere. So that's what that one. So now I gotta figure out what I'm gonna put on this one. I guess I could put my salad dressings on there. Yeah, and I still have room, so maybe the salad dressing and the barbecue sauce can go. All right, let's do the next. This next shelf right here will be, let me show you. This shelf is gonna be for all the rest of the items that were on this shelf. And I had to remember to check the expiration date, so say goodbye. They fought the good fight, but they're out of here. Okay, we got some oil, so let's put some oils on there. See, we got some red wine vinegar. And we got some avocado oil. And then we can put this walnut oil off in there. Okay? The jelly here, and then this Hellmann's. I don't know, this Hellmann's is looking a little gray. August 28th, 2025, buddy. I'm sorry, but this your last tour. All right, so we're gonna put the drinks on this shelf. So these are breads. I don't know if you guys heard of these before, but they're really good. They're lemon elderflower. They're really good drinks. And then this is like a mocktail. It's called Mingle Mocktails. And it is a key lime margarita. mocktail. It's pretty good. But I'll put it on ice and have it real cold. So the drinks is gonna go right here. All right, so we got all the drinks in. Okay, so we're gonna put like the brown sugar, the rice, things that are in containers like this, we'll put down here. And things like lavender, yeast for bread, and flaxseed we'll put here. All right, and so for your extra like baking soda and brown sugar that don't fit in your containers, I just put it off in the corner. This is some flour for chicken. It's the Korean flour to fry your chicken, fried chicken mix. When I tell you this is so good, oh my goodness. Got it from the Asian store. Okay, next we have our seasonings. These are really good. I don't know if they have these at your Asian market or not, but they're wing seasonings. They're so good. So good. All right, and we have these little containers that I got off of Amazon. And it has the dividers in it. You put the dividers, those little dividers that slip in here, and they have slots for them. And then you can put your items in here, nice and neat. Okay, got my bread holder. Sit right there. Okay, y'all, look at what I did. I put all of my noodles and my marinade sauce, my soy sauce, all that good stuff behind the door. So I made more room for myself on the shelves because now I have my own little store back here with all my stuff. Isn't that amazing? I love it. All right, here are the snacks. What do we have? We have some popcorn with the extra butter, Boston baked beans, Jolly Ranchers, some gum. This gum is really good to chew on after you eat because it has the, what's that, xylitol in it. So this gum is really good to chew after you eat. And of course the gummies in the small proportion size, because if I have the big bag, I'm grabbing a big handful. My Denmark candy, I only have 4 pieces, so I'm rationing it to myself. But we'll put the snacks right there. And then next is the chips. Now we have the chips. So I still had M&Ms out there, and then some cashews and some crackers for cheese. And now we got our chips. I got this huge bag of popcorn because I love popcorn. I got this huge bag off of Amazon for like $5. And we got some salt and vinegar. Always got to keep that. And then the OG. And then here is just some popcorn from a fundraiser. I haven't tried these yet, so put those here. All right, next we're gonna put in appliances. And those in here. All right, friends, here is the final results. I only put the appliances in here that I use frequently. Those are the only ones that went back in here. The other ones have their special place in the tall cabinets in the kitchen. And this is probably my favorite part right here. Absolutely adore it. Thanks for watching. Bye.